We are having delicious chili tonight. Chili is our all-time favorite Sunday fall dinner recipe. It's perfect over some good football, and we have a good football game tonight. So my husband requested chili. So I have 2 pounds of ground beef here that we'll use, and I'll get this cooking in a minute. I'll grab a medium onion out of the refrigerator in a second. I have my 2 packs of chili, McCormick's chili packet. You can use hot if you like. We like mild or original. 2 cans of my tomato paste. It's 2 6-ounce cans of Hunt's. My husband grabbed, but I'm all about the generic, okay? And then we have 2 cans of both the black beans and 2 cans of my pinto beans. Well, my husband nor I are fans of kidney beans, so we just eliminate those altogether. I don't know, something about the texture, and then it bothers my husband's stomach, so we just do not use that. Feel free to use any beans of choice, but this is what we're doing today. To go to a funeral yesterday to say goodbye to a neighbor. He was such a good man, a great neighbor. Known him for a while. We just spoke him up the other day, and then we got the update that he passed away. So we were in his service yesterday. It was such a beautiful service, beautiful service. So our weekend has pretty much flown by, but we are just grateful to be here and just reflecting on his awesome life. I have my medium onion cut up here, and now what I am going to do, let me move this over and bring my little bestie, my Instant Pot here. Let me plug it in, and I'm going to add just a little bit, maybe a tablespoon and a half of olive oil, and then we're going to turn this on saute, and we're going to saute the onions just a little bit, and then we'll add in the ground beef. I have this on saute. Hopefully it's hot, but if not, it will be hot soon. So I'm just going to add in my onions to my Instant Pot. And I'm just going to stir these and let these saute. We want these pretty much translucent, some, not completely. And then we'll add in the ground beef. Now I may go ahead and add in some more onion. I love a lot of onion. But we're going to add onion powder and the other seasonings too, so I think we're good. We'll just hold off right now. Okay, friends, sorry if you hear the lawnmower in the background. It has been raining for like 7 days here, but my husband wanted to go and cut the grass, okay? We did have a break in the rain, so our grass was getting crazy, but all right. So just to let you know that that's the noise you probably are hearing. So now that the onions are pretty much cooked, they've been cooking for about 3 minutes, I'm gonna add in my ground beef. So this is 2 pounds. Break this down some. And we're going to allow this to cook. I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook on saute for about 3 minutes. All right, let's check on this ground beef. Smells good. I love the smell of onions. Love it, love it, love it. I may end up adding a little bit more onion though. We'll see. I'll let you know. But just make this your own. You know, you can add 2 onions if you'd like. I mean, it just really depends, but this is how I'm making mine today, okay? I am sure happy that football is back. This is our favorite time of the year. Love fall. Let's look at this ground beef. Looks good. I'm going to definitely need to drain the grease here. So this looks really good, okay? And I'm going to add my seasonings after I drain the grease, of course. I don't want the seasonings to go down the drain, you know. All right, this looks good. So I'm going to drain this meat, and then we're going to add the ingredients. It's easy as that. Do not stir in the Instant Pot until it's completely cooked, okay? And you can try that if you'd like. I just know that in the past it's made a mess. It stuck to the bottom when I stirred first. So that's just a food for thought. All right, and this is a double batch, guys. This is why I use 2 pounds of ground beef. We have a very busy week ahead, so I want to have this cooked for Sunday night dinner and possibly Monday and one day this week. So that's what we're doing. I'm all about leftovers. Hey, I have drained my ground beef and onion, and now we're ready to see. Hello, lovelies. Please allow this brief interruption in today's scheduled video to share with you this beautiful item I received in the mail. Firmoo is a convenient website offering stylish and affordable quality prescription and non-prescription eyeglasses as well as sunglasses. You heard me right, prescription and non-prescription glasses. The quality is superb and I was blown away at the prices on the website. What I like best is how light these glasses are. Seriously guys, I can barely tell they're on my face. My prescription glasses came at the perfect time. I was planning on making an eye appointment to be fitted for eyeglasses. I've had my eyeglasses for years and years, and it was definitely time for a new pair. I was so excited to learn that Firmoo offers prescription eyeglasses with such a variety of frames to choose from. I chose this design as I was looking for a neutral color that I could rock with everything, but I will definitely be back for more. If you are in the market for a new pair of trendy eyeglasses or sunglasses, I invite you to try out my link and use my code for 50% off. Clicking on and purchasing from my link will allow me to earn a little money in my pocket. Thank you so much in advance for all of your clicks and purchases. Please note that this link is good for 1 year from today, so mark your calendars so you don't miss out on this awesome deal. Guys, I so love my glasses and I have received so many compliments on them. I cannot wait to try out some other styles. These prescription eyeglasses have come in quite handy. I am in front of a computer for work day in and day out, and this prescription was on point. I sent in my information from my optometrist and Firmoo did the rest. I'm really feeling myself in these glasses, can't you tell? Thank you, Firmoo, for sending me these beautiful prescription eyeglasses. I will definitely put them to good use. Now back to the scheduled video. Okay, friends, I am going to now add my tomato paste, okay? And I'm just going to add this in. Got my baby spatula, but this is not really working here. I need a little bigger one, but that's okay. We're going to just add the 2 cans of tomato paste. And then to this, I'm going to add the water for the 2 cans. Get it all out, okay? Then we're going to add 4 cups of water. Now this water is a little reddish in color because I rinsed the tomato paste cans. I wanted to get all the paste out, okay? I have been craving chili. I don't know how many times I've made it. It seems like I've made it quite a bit already well, before fall actually. I'll eat chili in 100-degree weather, but I love it around this time of the year. Okay, so I'm going to add this in, and then I'm going to add my beans. And I have these opened. I've rinsed these black beans. I'm going to add the black beans in. 1 can. You can add more. And then I will also add 1 can of the pinto beans. And these have already been rinsed also. All right. And now for the fun part, my seasoning. Even though the McCormick's packet has plenty of the seasoning in it, I just want to always add my own, okay? I love this seasoning more than anything. Adobo goes with everything. I hear that lawnmower now. So I'm just going to add. I do not measure, so you see I'm adding. I love flavor. We love seasoning here. So I'm going to add some more garlic powder and onion powder and my black pepper. And you know, when this is done cooking, I may add more. Who knows? I just have to taste it and see. And I will add a pinch of salt. I like to add very little salt. You can always add more at the end, but you can never take it away. And of course, my black pepper here. All right, so I think I was gonna add another can, or 2 cans each of my beans, but I think these beans are enough. I think I have enough in here. I like my chili a little more meatier. And I'm not going to stir. Once again, I'm not going to stir this. Okay, I'm just going to place the top on and allow it to cook for 30 minutes on high pressure cook. Okay, friends, I have it set for 35 minutes high pressure cook, and we'll be back shortly. All right, guys, it has been 35 minutes and my chili is ready. Let's see. Let me show you what it's looking like. And here it is. And I will now stir this. This is the first time I'm stirring this. And if you hear anything in the background, I am making some spaghetti noodles with mine. I love my chili over some good spaghetti. I don't know the origins of that. Somebody told me in one of my previous videos, but I love chili over some pasta. Spaghetti noodles. This smells heavenly, guys. This is such a quick meal, especially in my Instant Pot. This is the chili, guys. I'm going to let this cool, and I think we're going to have crackers. Well, my husband's going to have crackers. I was going to make some garlic toast, but we'll do that the next go around. But this is dinner for tonight. We're about to plate this up and enjoy some Sunday night football. Have a great evening. Be blessed.